Hello everyone, my name is Efosa, and today I will be showing you how to use EMA to trade. I know many people have been using EMA to trade, but they still lose money. But today I'm going to show you the right way of using EMA to trade that will make you a lot of money. Okay, so let's see. So the first thing we're going to do, you're going to look for the EMA. Okay, so I just go to add to it. So it is the EMA. So I just go to change it. So you can use any number you want, but I normally use 10 and also 23. So I just going to change this one to change this to 23. This is the number. Instead of using close, I use h/half in the source, so you can change your or you can leave it like that. Doesn't really just a little slightly that will make the EMA work. So it's just very simple. It's not like it is hard to use. So what really happens that the EMA is going to show you the direction of the price. For example, there's a cross here, so you allow the EMA to pull back to the price to pull back to the EMA. That is where you enter the market. There is a cross here. Okay, allow the price to pull back to the EMA. You take, as you can see, the yellow is the 10, while the white is the 23. So you allow the market to pull back to the EMA before you enter the market. Let's assume, for example, like here, as you can see, there was a cross here. So you allow the market to pull back to the EMA, then you will sell. You see, the market is pulling back now. So the market might pull back to this area. So if it does not cross, but then pulling back, we continue selling. Okay, so that is how it works. So there's another thing you can add to it. For example, like if you really want to make this thing work perfectly, you can add trend line. So you can add other indicator, but I don't advise other indicator. What I really advise is just add trend line to it. So trend line will determine the direction of the price. For example, like if I go to 4 hours, let me go to 4 hours here. So I can be able to plot 4 hours. So I can be able to plot my trend line here. So I can be able to plot trend line here. Trend line here to this one. So we'll go to 1 hour to see if we can be able to add trend line to it. Okay, if you doesn't know how to plot trend line, just let me know. I will do a video to show you how to plot trend line the right way. Okay, so as you can see, so this is how we plot the trend line. So now, how do we use the trend line to trade? So if we go to 15 minutes, where we used to enter the market, so we'll wait for the market to pull back to the trend line. When the market pull back to the trend line, then we will see that the market is already crossed, and if you can see, the market already pulled back to the EMA with the trend line. We take our buy. So we see happen here, the same thing, we take our buy. So as you can see, you already breaked this area. So if you pull back and go retest it and go up, we buy. But if you pull back and could retest and break it down and test the trend line, we continue selling. But for me, instead of you selling, just concentrate of buying, because the trend line have already tell us that this market is an uptrend. Okay, we just continue buying. Even though he break this trend line, we will wait for the market to get to this place and we'll continue buying until the market do whatever. For example, like if I draw a trend line here, let's assume if I draw counter trend here, the trend line to the counter trend here I'm not going to buy. I just allow the market to pull back to this trend line with the EMA cross, I will sell. Pull back to the trend line with the EMA cross, sell. Pull back to the trend line with the EMA cross, sell. You can see that the market already break this trend line. So where will I enter the market? When the EMAs have already crossed and the market have already passed this trend line, then definitely I will be entering the market somewhere here. The market will be going up. So guys, that is how it works. And if you have any question, let me know. So I think I will leave this video. I will leave this video here. So give me thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel. I will see you some other time. Bye bye.